Are you struggling with autofill in React forms? You're not alone. Many developers face this frustrating issue when transitioning from Angular to React. Today, we're going to tackle this problem head-on. I totally get it. Switching from Angular to React can be a breath of fresh air, but dealing with form inputs can feel like a headache. You want to test your forms quickly, but the onChange event is getting in the way of autofill. It's a common pain point. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user mentioned that they love React but are struggling with autofill in forms. They have multiple fields like checkboxes, custom editors, and dropdowns, and entering values manually is a hassle. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, why does this happen? In React, the onChange event is crucial for managing state, but it can interfere with autofill functionality. Understanding this interaction is key to finding a solution. Stick around, I have a great workaround for you at the end that will make your form testing a breeze. To address the issue with autofill in React forms, the user should first understand how the onChange event interacts with input fields. This event can prevent autofill from functioning properly. Next, the user can implement a workaround by using the default value property instead of value for the input fields. This allows the browser to handle autofill while still capturing changes. Additionally, the user can consider using the autocomplete attribute on input fields. Setting this attribute can help the browser recognize which fields should be autofilled. Finally, the user should test the form thoroughly to ensure that autofill works as expected. They can do this by filling out the form and checking if the browser suggests previously entered values. Fun fact, did you know that the first web forms were just plain HTML with no JavaScript? We've come a long way, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests giving the browser control over the form to handle autofills effectively. Since the browser doesn't trigger the onChange event during autofill for security reasons, it's better to leave the form state to the browser. By using uncontrolled inputs and a submit button, you can access the autofilled values during form submission. Here's a simple example. Create a form with email and password fields and log their values on submission. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution suggests using a controlled input field for autofill in React. By setting the value of the input to the component state, you can initialize it with data fetched from your storage. If you're using Redux, you can set the input value from the Redux store instead of local state. This allows you to manage form data effectively. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your forms in different browsers. Each browser handles autofill differently, and knowing how they behave can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to manage autofill in your React forms more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.